Oh, can anybody spoil? Me not hear nobody I say nothing, no. Me not hear a soul attack, no. Won't no day. Everybody what did I talk about the BBL is spoil. Where everybody they know. Come sure no say. You know see me on stage in a real life without picture. Last night I got my big stage show. I'ma go live. Come show me a show in real life. Me not hear nobody I say nothing. Me not hear nobody I say nothing. You know she want to take up on her head. She want to take up say the body, the skin, it's smooth out. Check designer body page. Everybody body smooth out. Even you, me just show you how you hypocritical and bad mind. Blinga, when Blinga take her photo shoot, Blinga look like Blinga. Look on Blinga photo shoot, Blinga body smooth right out. What you tell Blinga say? Oh, I saw photo shoots here. I saw photo shoots here, rare. But can they do it now? It's a big issue. It's a big problem now.